So these days I see a lot of people are facing this issue, ad blocker violates YouTube terms of service. So if you're using ad blocker and you're browsing YouTube, you will see a warning from YouTube of ad blocker. And then you might need to turn off your ad blocker to continue to the YouTube. And you can see here, this is my YouTube, and I am seeing no ads on the YouTube videos. If I just play a video for you, for example, I can play this video, Peter McKinnon, and you can see I am seeing no ads on my YouTube. Even let me play another video for you. Normally they say it shows starting that error of ad block after 3 videos. So second video, then I play third video, and you can see there's no warning from YouTube about ad blocking. And then if you want, I play video from Mr. Who's the Boss, and it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so let me show you how we can also use ad blocker without seeing the warning from YouTube. So in the Chrome browser, click on the 3 dots and then go to extension and click on view Chrome Web Store. And now search here Adblock. Then you will find the second extension, Adblock Best Ad Blocker. You can see they have more than 286,000 ratings and 4.5 stars. And then click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. And now you can see Adblock is now installed. It will not just help you to block ad, it will increase your internet speed, protect your online privacy. Then if you want, you can donate some money. For this video, I'm going to close this window now, and now Adblock is installed. Now on YouTube, you can see, you will see no ads. Just to show you, if I click here on extension, and this Adblock Best Adblock Blocker, if I click on pause on this side, and now if I refresh YouTube, you can see I start seeing ads here. If I click on this video, you can see the ads start showing back again. And if I go back again on extension here, and then click on 3 dots, then I select resume blocking ads. And now if I refresh this YouTube page, you can see there's no ads and no warning from YouTube about ad blocker. Guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for such amazing tips and tricks, and don't forget to check other useful videos on my channel.